Huh?
You're recording me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Girls with colored hair. I'm not. I'm
Say
gonna
it.
go viral and everyone's gonna hate me or something.
Or what, emo?
No, they're ugly.
Ugly? Okay, Kylie Jenner always has colored hair, and she's not ugly to you.
She's different.
She's
She's famous. I'm kidding. Baby.
Wow.
Baby. Please do not dye your hair pink.
This is for the pink hair vlog.
Oh.
You hate it that much?
Do it. Whatever. I'll just,
I
I
got a belly button piercing, and you said you were gonna hate it, and you like it.
I just tolerate it. It's not like I'm like, oh my god, that belly button piercing.
Yeah.
It's not like I can stop you, but like, please do not. Don't.
Please, dear God, is that what you're gonna say? Look, I'm just gonna look like your PC. See, colorful. 6'9", everyone likes him.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna leave.
Are you actually vlogging?
Yes.
Once you die,
Hey, what happens? All right, guys, I got all the goods. My girl Paola here. She's gonna help us. Let's ruin my hair. Let's go. About to be a pink queen.
So, there we go. We're just gonna start blending this out. Okay.
So, this bitch Paola just ruined my hair. I'm about to fight her. Let's go. She put me on blast on her IG and Snapchat. She's rude. She's never touching my head again. Not with those filthy, dirty hands. Oh, I feel like if it was on my hair, it would have came out really nice. Well, this ain't your hair. I feel like if your hair was lighter. No, I feel like if you were a fucking stupid ass, my hair would be.
It looks nice.
It doesn't look bad.
Does it?
Anyway.
Do it again.
I was still gonna make the noise. Wait, okay, no, let's. Hold on. Let me just stick you in the face. Oh, you can't look the camera. Wait, I wasn't ready. Okay, listen, bitch. So you're gonna fuck my hair and then treat me like shit? Yeah, bitch. Girl, you're out of the frame. Who is this? Okay, enough of that foolery. You actually gonna feed me rice with a spoon?
No.
Eat it with a fork.
You don't eat rice with a fucking fork. What is that? It's not Puerto Rican shit.
Yo, comment down below if you eat a
You're
rice.
even recording.
Okay, yes, I am. You eat rice with a fork. This is for cereal and soup.
Who the fuck eats rice with a fork? It's gonna go through the little fucking cracks.
Ladies,
No, you're fucking
if you're a
wrong.
lady, you know how to handle your
do
rice.
you eat rice with a fucking fork or a spoon? Dude, how the fuck? With a fucking fork?
Give me a fork. Watch. That just makes too much food in it. Okay, she just stole off my food.
Try it.
Yeah, you can have that. Watch, I got bigger more than you. Did you come in together? No. Do you guys see pink in my hair anywhere?
Huh?
I'm talking to the vlog.
No.
Pissed off! My hair is not pink! Look at it! Does that look pink to you? No, it's just freaking not curly anymore. Looks terrible. Sadly, this is our reality. This is our reality. Honestly, I just wanted this video to be like fun and not really serious. I just want to be like, oh, let me just dye my hair. Oh, it all looks great. Oh, Jenna Marbles does it on a whim and she just looks great. Well, she apparently is more experienced than I am. And then, I mean, I didn't even do my hair, but Paola did it. So, we will see what happens tomorrow because all those stores are closed and it's 12 a.m. My life sucks. I'm tired. And I have school tomorrow. So, I'm gonna go. Hope you enjoyed so far. The me not getting my hair dyed video. Me not getting my hair dyed. Yay! So, it's not pink. Doesn't look terrible, honestly. Doesn't look terrible, but it looks terrible. It looks like I wanted it to be like this, but I didn't. I don't know. Don't tell anyone, but I didn't go to school today. Not because of my hair. I just fell asleep at 5 and I was like, oh, I'm gonna stay up all night, and then I couldn't stay up all night and I was really tired. And this whole hair thing is it's just stupid. So we're gonna try to make it pink. Let's go. We're back. Okay, I got 2 of these. Don't look at my nails. They look like shit. What do I need? Oh, I need to mix it first. Okay. I'm so scared. Oh, wait. They said a trick is to put the diluter first and then like slowly add how much color you want. That's a lot. Shampoo hair and dry. Apply petroleum jelly around hairline to prevent staining. I don't have petroleum jelly. I don't have petroleum jelly for my hairline, so I'm gonna use lotion. I wish there was someone here to help me. My mom is not here. No one is here. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done this before in my life. All up on my neck. My neck. My back. My shoo and my crack. Because I'm going somewhere today and I'm not trying to look stupid. So I'm scared for my life. I have this again. And I'm gonna... Oh my god, that looks red. Oh no. Okay, let's just put that much and then we're gonna mix it. We're gonna see what happens. Oh, nice. I think I kind of like this color. But then when I mix more, it's not gonna match because I didn't measure anything. Such an idiot. Okay. So I realized I didn't measure anything. So I don't even know what this concoction is, and if I put it on my head, then I kind of want maybe brighter in the middle and then more pastel on the ends. I don't freaking know what I'm doing! YOLO. Nope. YOLO. Nope. No. YOLO. Nope. Okay. Fat blob went somewhere. Here is hair dye on my phone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey y'all, so I finished the process putting all that on my hair. So that's the back. My hair is freaking long. I think it's gonna be so cute. But my mom's gonna be pissed because I got her walls freaking pink. I got the pink off the floor and off of the sink. But there's pink still everywhere. So yeah. I'm gonna wait like 30 minutes and see what it looks like. It looks really bright though. It looks really bright. I could have toned it down more, but whatever. We'll do it. We'll see how it comes out. It's gonna look good regardless. So I just washed my hair and oh my god. It's so freaking pink. It's so pink. I'm like, oh yeah, it's not gonna pick up the color at all, you know. Just gonna add more color, more dye. Oh boy. Oh my god. Sam hates it. He hates it. Oh my god, he hates it so much. Oh my god, it's so bright. It's like almost red. Whatever, I'm gonna rock it though. I don't know if I should straighten it. I already damaged my hair, so I feel like I want to straighten it. Hey y'all, so I just curled this one side. Not very well because... And then this side is my natural hair. It's curly. I just look not crazy, I just look. It's a little patchy, but still pretty cute. Hey.
Oh, yours is pretty.
Thank you.
That is my favorite color.
Thank you.
I looked at you and I was like, I don't know who that girl is, and I kept walking.
Do you like it?
You look like a child.
I look so cute.
You look like a little girl.
No, I don't. Where's everyone else? When's the meeting start?
I like it.
I like it too. Do you think they're gonna put you in the front?
They're gonna hate you.
I
They're
know.
gonna hate you for your hair. They're gonna be like, she cannot sing anywhere. I like
They need
it.
to. I like it too.
Hey.
You like it?
Yeah. Let me get $500 though.
I don't know about that.
Listen, I don't know about that.
I don't know about that because I don't got $500.
Natalie, you're amazing for doing that with your hair.
Thank
Amazing.
you.
Should I go pink with you?
Yeah, bro. Everyone, all of 252.
Oh my God, they're gonna kill you.
Imagine if we did that
Do a pink
for like breast cancer.
You cannot sing.
Like it's for breast cancer.
Until we go over here.
We didn't push her.
Are you ready?
Am I ready?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You want to show a screen? Can I look?
Ready?
Oh, you're vlogging?
Look, don't be
Oh. Don't look that bad.
It doesn't look bad at all.
I'm gonna have to get used to it. I like how it matches your purse. It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
What do you think?
I don't hate it.
I like it a lot.
I have to get used to it. Why are you so close to me?
This is the finished look. Do we feel it? I feel like it's already fading. Maybe this lighting is just really harsh. Fuck you, thought.